Yes, note down the problem. Note down the problem. Yes, from the balance sheet. From the given balance sheet, prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. శ్రీకాంత్ వినపడుతుందా? శ్రీకాంత్, పునీత్ వినపడుతుందా? Liabilities 2016-17. Assets 2016-17. 2016-17. Assets 2016-17. On liability side, share capital. Share capital 70,000, 74,000. 70,000, 74,000. Next, debentures. Debentures 12,000, 6,000. Debentures 12,000, 6,000. Next, provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts 700, 800. Provision for bad debts 700, 800. Next, trade creditors. Trade creditors 10,360, 11,840. 10,360, 11,840. Next, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account 10,040, 10,560. 10,560. Next, on asset side, cash 9,000, 7,800. 9,000, 7,800. ಏನಮ್ಮ?
ಅಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗುದು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ
ಸುನೀತಾ? ಹೌದು, ಆಫೀಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 14,900, 17,700. Next, stock 49,200, 42,700. Next, land 20,000, 30,000. Goodwill 10,000, 5,000. 10,000, 5,000. Total first year 1,03,100. 1,03,100. Second year 1,03,200. 1,03,200. Next, additional information. Additional information. Number 1, dividends paid 3,500. Dividends paid 3,500. Next, purchase of land. Purchase of land 10,000. Purchase of land 10,000. Next, goodwill written off 5,000. Goodwill written off 5,000. Next, debentures paid. Debentures paid 6,000. Debentures paid 6,000. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. This is the problem of cash flow statement. So, from the balance sheet and given information, there is no need of workings. There is no necessity to working any item. Clearly was given. First one, dividends paid. That will be appear in cash from operations and cash flow statement to cash outflow. So no need of working. Next, purchase of land 10,000 is there. The balance sheet also opening 20,000, closing 30,000 is there. The difference here here you can show. So there is no preparation of land and buildings account. Simply 10,000 purchase of building, cash outflows. Next, goodwill written off. It is also same. Goodwill 10,000, 5,000 is there. 5,000 written off. That will be added to cash from operations. That will be added to cash from operation. Next, debentures paid. In the problem, 12,000, 6,000 is there. 6,000 debentures paid. So there is no need to prepare any workings. Okay. Directly you can prepare cash flow statement. So take down the answer. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. Particulars inner column amount. Particulars inner column amount. First one, you can take difference in trial balance. Difference in trial balance. Sorry, difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account in brackets 10,560 minus 10,040. 10,560 minus 10,040. Outer column 520. Outer column 520. After that, you can take six headings. Six headings. First one, plus non-operating items. Plus non-operating items. You can give 3 or 4 lines space. Next, minus non-operating items. Minus non-operating items. Minus non-operating items. Under that, you can give 2 or 3 line space. Next, plus decrease in current assets. Plus decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Plus decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Under that, next fourth one, minus increase in current assets, increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Next, you can give 3-4 lines. Next, plus cash inflows. Plus cash inflows. You can give 3-4 lines. Next, minus cash outflows. Minus cash outflows. Cash outflows. So in this manner, you can take 6 headings. After that, you can go to the problem. First one, share capital is there. 70,000, 74,000 is there. That means the firm issued the shares of 4,000 rupees. Then the cash will be received. So that will be in fifth heading. That will be in fifth heading. Issue of shares. Issue of shares, inner column 5,000. 4,000, sorry, 4,000. Issue of shares, inner column 4,000. Next, debentures. 12,000, 6,000 is there. So that means liability decreases. That means that liability we paid. Then the cash will gone. So that will be cash outflow. Last column. Debentures paid 6,000. Debentures paid 6,000. Next, provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts. That will be number one. Provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts 100. Provision for doubtful debts number one lo 100 వేసుకోండి. Next, creditors, that is increase in creditors. That means number 3 lo. Number 3 lo increase in creditors. Increase in creditors, inner column 1,480. Increase in creditors 1,480. Next, profit and loss account already we have taken. Next, you can go to asset side. Cash did not take here. Debtors, that is increase in debtors. So that will be minus side. Number 4th heading lo increase in debtors. Increase in debtors number 4 lo minus lo 2,800 inner column. 2,800. Next, stock decreases. So number 3 lo decrease in stock. Decrease in stock. Decrease in stock 6,500. 6,500. Next, land 2030 is there. So that means we purchased the land. So cash outflow lost heading. Purchase of land lost. Purchase of land inner column 10,000. Purchase of land inner column 10,000. Next, goodwill 10,000, 5,000 is there. That is written off. Number one, goodwill written off. Goodwill written off 5,000. Goodwill written off 5,000. Next, come to adjustments. Dividends paid. This is double effect. Number one lo add change. Dividends paid number one lo non-operating item plus lo plus dividends paid 3,500. Dividends paid 3,500. Next, that will be lost cash outflows lo dividends paid in cash outflows. Dividends paid 3,500. So there is no other information. So first of all, you can add non-operating items 100 to 5,000, 3,500. Total outer column 8,600. 8,600. Then that will be 9,120. 9,120. Next, there is no minus non-operating items. You can put dash. Then you can take same total 9,120. 9,120 same total. Next, 1,480, 6,500 is there. That is in outer column. 7,980. 7,980 you can add. That is 17,100. That is 17,100. Next, minus 2,800 outer column. You can give in brackets. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మైనస్ వచ్చింది అంటే బ్రాకెట్లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఇన్ బ్రాకెట్స్ 2,800. దట్ విల్ లెస్ అమౌంట్. Then that is 14,300. 14,300. 14,300. Next, plus 4,000. Outer column can give 4,000 plus. Then it is 18,300. 18,300. 18,300. Next, cash outflows are 6,000, 10,000, 3,500. So outer column 19,500 in brackets. 19,500 outflows is there. That will be shown in bracket. So here minus value is higher than plus value. 19,500 minus 18,300. Then you will get 1,200 minus value. So that will be put in brackets. 1,200 in brackets. 1,200. Then you can take opening cash balance. Opening cash balance 9,000. Opening cash balance 9,000. That is plus. Now minus 1,200 is there. You can minus 9,000 minus 1,200, 7,800 you can write. 7,800, that will be therefore closing cash balance. Therefore closing cash balance 7,800. This is the answer. Same 7,800 will be in the question. Closing cash balance 7,800 is there. So then our problem is correct. Like that you can prepare cash flow statement. You can prepare the cash flow statement. Next one. Next problem. From the following balance sheets, from the following balance sheets, from the following balance sheets, prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. Prepare cash flow statement. పునీత్ వింటున్నావా? పునీత్, cash flow statement. Liabilities 2016-17, assets 2016-17. Liabilities 2016-17, assets 2016-17. Liability side. Share capital. Share capital 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. General reserve. General reserve 50,000, 60,000. 50,000, 60,000. Next, 10% debentures. 10% debentures. 1 lakh, 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Next, creditors. Creditors 40,000, 50,000. 40,000, 50,000. Bills payable. Bills payable 10,000, 12,000. 10,000, 12,000. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account 10,000, 16,000. 10,000, 16,000. Next on asset side. Next on asset side. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 36,000. 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 36,000. Next, investments. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 90,000. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 90,000. Next, stock 50,000, 40,000. 50,000, 40,000. Debtors, 30,000, 40,000. Debtors 30,000, 40,000. Cash 15,000, 18,000. Cash 15,000, 18,000. Next, prepaid expenses. 15,000, 14,000. 15,000, 14,000. Total balance sheet. First year 4 lakhs 10,000. 4 lakhs 10,000. Second year 5 lakhs 38,000. Second year 5 lakhs 38,000. 5 lakhs 38,000. This is the problem. There is no additional information. Simple problem it is. No any another additional information. From the given balance sheets, you can prepare the cash flow statement అని చెప్పి చెప్పినాను. సో మనకి ఏదైనా వర్కింగ్ అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో డిప్రిషియేషన్ ఎట్లా ఇచ్చింటే ఆ అకౌంట్లో వేసుకొని మనం పర్చేజ్ సేల్ అని కనుక్కుంటాంటిమి. ఇంకా ఏమన్నా అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎనీ అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ వర్కింగ్స్. బట్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ ప్రిపేర్ ద cash flow statement. Take down the answer. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. Particulars inner column amount. Cash flow statement. Particulars inner column amount. Particulars inner column amount. First of all, you can take closing balance, difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account. Difference in profit and loss account. That is 6,000. In brackets lo 16,000 minus 10,000. In brackets lo 16,000 minus 10,000. Outer column 6,000. You can take outer column 6,000. Then you can take 6 headings. First one, plus non-operating items, plus non-operating and non-cash items already debited to profit and loss account. Plus non-operating and non-cash items already debited to profit and loss account. Already debited to profit and loss account. You can give 4 lines or 5 lines. Next, minus non-operating items. Minus non-operating items already credited to profit and loss account. Minus non-operating items already credited to profit and loss account. Next, plus decrease in current assets, plus decrease in current assets and increase in current liability. Plus decrease in current assets and increase in current liability. For this, you can give 4 or 5 lines. 4 or 5 lines. Next, minus increase in current assets, and decrease in current liability. Increase in current assets and decrease in current liability. Next, plus cash inflows. You can give three or four lines for this. Next, lastly, minus cash outflows. Minus cash outflows. Minus cash outflows. In this manner, you can take six headings. After taking difference in profit loss account, you can take six headings. Number one, plus non-operating items, minus non-operating items, plus decrease in current assets or increase in current liability, minus increase in current assets or decrease in current liability. Next, plus cash inflows. Next, minus cash outflows. In this manner, you can take six headings. After that, you can go through the problem. So here, share capital 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs is there. That means the firm issued the shares. Then the cash will receive. Cash inflows go to 5 heading. Cash inflows under that issue of shares. Issue of shares, inner column 1 lakh. Issue of shares, inner column 1 lakh. Next, general ledger 50, 60, 10,000 is there. So that will be number 1. Transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve, inner column 10,000. Inner column 10,000. Next, debentures, same value is there. So that will not appear in cash flow statement. Next, creditors 40,000, 50,000, 10,000 increase is there. So number you can go to number third heading. Increase in creditors. Increase in creditors 10,000. Increase in creditors 10,000. In the same, increase in bills payable. Increase in bills payable 2,000. Increase in bills payable 2,000. Next, plant and machinery 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 36,000 is there. That means 36,000 purchased. That means cash outflows last heading. Purchase of plant and machinery. Purchase of plant and machinery. Inner column 36,000. Purchase of plant and machinery 36,000. Same. Purchase of investments. Purchase of investments 90,000. 90. Purchase of investments 90,000. Next, you can go to third heading. Third heading. Increasing.
Hello, Nayak. Hello, Nayak. Hello, Nayak. Hello, Nayak.
పునీత్
మంచి పోయినాడా
పోయినాడు.
అయిపోయింది క్లాస్
ఆ, ఆ,
మంచి కట్టినాడు. సర్లే ఎండు కాలే పైన ఎండు నొక్కది నేను పోతున్నా ఇంకా.
तुझा खाली कांदा सरेन वो एक जिन्ना है ना होगा फिर ना होगा राजा राजा हाँ नवजात लो जा जतनी